place. Ladies and gentlemen, your host for tonight, the trending host of Calgary, Roberta Alberta! Come! Yung sapatos ko kasi. So tonight, yeah, I just want all of you to release all those stress at kalimutan lahat ng mga worries sa buhay. And let's just enjoy the Laugh Trip Canada Tour! Oh, I think he likes me, diba? Okay, now I want all of you to clap to the beat. Come on. If you know the lyrics, sing with me. Come on, tonight. Gonna make this a night to remember. One more time, sing with me. Ready? Get ready tonight. Gonna make this a night to remember. Whew. Hindi ko makalapit dito kasi umaano yung microphone eh. Napaka-sensitive. Dito na lang. Buti may pogi rito. Kamusta ha? Okay kaya? Diba? Whew. That was so much fun. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Ah, I'm glad. So mamaya, sino yung mga tumatawa doon? Wala bang punchline? Wait lang. So mamaya, like what I've said, pag si Mr. Alex Calleja nang introduce ko, kailangan talagang mas wild, okay? Yung talagang, yung ganon, ha? Okay? Meron ako nadaanan dyan eh. Di ba? Si Mother parang hindi natatawa. Nakikita kita rito kahit nakakasila. Meron ako nadaanan dyan na cannabis shop. Legal naman dito, di ba? Hit muna. Tapos ngayon, para wild. Yung ganong wild, ha? Uy, parang umihitit ka, Mother, ah. Diba? Tapos, I want to see the audience. Stan, can you turn on the lights, please? Because I want to see, I can't see their faces. Ba't ba ako nag-i-English? Diyos ko. Hindi ko makita kasi yung mga pogi. If I can see pogi, I can't get inspired, di ba? Siya lang, nagsawa na ako kagad, naka-move on na ako. Ayan! Now I can see all of you! Welcome to the Alex Calleja Show! Di ba? So, ayun na nga, sinasabi ko, where's the server Wilson? Wilson, they serve, kailangan wild, okay? I would recommend that you take the shots. They sell shots here, right, Wilson? They have red shit, green shit. Yeah, no, I'm not kidding. Hindi, kasi naka-green ka eh. Parang, nagulat siya, ano pinatumawa, green shit? No, right, Wilson? You have those shots. Red shit, green shit, and blue shit. And if you buy those 3 shots, I would recommend you try those. Kasi nandito ako last time. I watched their show and I bought all of those 3. And it's called The Taste of Rainbow, right? The Taste of Rainbow, just like me. You can taste me. What's the ingredients? Anong ingredients ng red shit? As if you understand. What's the ingredient? Huh? What? Vodka? And? What? Sour pussy. Oh, I can't have that. I think I'm allergic to that. Si Kuya mukhang gusto niya ng red shit. Yan sinesearch na nila mag-asawa. Sabi niya, honey, mag-shot ka ng red shit. Diba? Hi! Welcome. Kilala ko itong mag-asawa na to eh. Diba? Welcome. Hello. Na-late kayo. So,